Welcome to our channel. If you're paying unnecessary phone bill fees, follow these step-by-step instructions to identify, stop, and remove unwanted charges. Step 1. Review your bill line by line, identifying every charge, including taxes, fees, and services. Create a list of all charges you don't understand or didn't authorize. Step 2. Research each fee to understand what it covers and whether it's required. Some fees are government mandates, while others are carrier-imposed charges you can eliminate. Step 3. Identify optional services charging monthly fees you don't use. Common culprits include insurance, device protection, premium voicemail, and directory assistance services. Step 4. Remove unnecessary add-on services through your online account or by calling customer service. Cancel anything you don't actively use to reduce monthly bills. Step 5. Ask about waiving one-time fees for account changes or services. Many carriers will remove activation fees, SIM card fees, or other charges if you simply ask. Step 6. Enroll in autopay and paperless billing to qualify for discounts. Most carriers reduce bills by $5 to $10 monthly when you use electronic statements and automatic payments. Step 7. Question suspicious third-party charges that appear on your bill. Unauthorized premium services sometimes add charges for ringtones, subscriptions, or games you never ordered. Step 8. Negotiate with retention teams to reduce or eliminate recurring fees. Threatening to switch carriers often results in fee waivers or bill credits to keep your business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.